Hey everybody, on today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Nissan Kicks if you locked your keys inside and you don't want to pay somebody like me to come out and unlock it. Okay, so when I unlock a vehicle I always go over to the passenger side. You can go to either side, it doesn't really matter, it's just a matter of preference. I use Access Tools Super Air Jack. This is a airbag bladder, it goes in the door jamb and fills with air. You can get this in my tagged products, or you can call Access yourself. Or you can go to Home Depot and get a similar bag out of the door and window aisle, or Lowe's, or Harbor Freight I think sells them too. If you don't have the ability to get one of these bags, you could use a wood wedge or a plastic wedge like a door stopper and shove it into the door, and that'll pry it open the same as this bag. And then just put the bag in and work it through the weather stripping. You got to saw it up and down, so it takes two hands, hold it firm on the top and bottom and shove it in until you get it through the weather stripping, and then close the little valve here that'll trap the air in the bag and pump it up. And when you pump it up, it pries the door out off of the frame, giving you a little gap on the inside. All you really need is like a 1/2 inch. And like I said, you could use a door stopper or a wooden wedge or something as well and just shove it in there and it'll pry the door open. And then I use Access Tools Green Reach Tool. This is like a 5-foot long metal rod, 1/4 inch in diameter, with this handle on the end of it and coated in plastic, has a rubber tip on it. And this is also found in my tagged products, or you could go to Home Depot and buy a metal rod and bend it up, or take a bunch of coat hangers and bend those up and feed it in through the door like so. And then we're going to come in to the inside. Right there above that inside door handle there's a flipper lock. We're just going to hook that flipper lock and flip it backwards like that. And then once we've got it flipped, we'll go ahead and pull our tool back out and deflate our bag, or pull our wedge out if we were using a wedge, and that allows the door to bend itself back to where it came from, so it won't be bent and bowed and no air or water will get in there. And then just open her up, and that's it. Pretty simple and easy. And like I said, the door goes right back to where it was, so it's not like it gets damaged doing this. It doesn't scratch the paint or mess up the weather stripping or the door panel or anything like that. So there you go, pretty simple and easy. These tools are found in my tagged products, like I said, or you can make them from whatever you got laying around. Alright guys, well, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give me a big old thumbs up, drop me a comment, let me know, and you'll see me on the next one. Check out this bird right here, and there's a gator over there. That's Florida, baby. He's like a 5 or 6 foot long gator. Not very big. Still pretty cool to see though. They are all over in Florida, but you don't always see them. This bird's just hanging out with him. Like I said, I hope this video helped you out. See you on the next one.